The new segment, top of trending segment. Let me just make sure this is still #1 on trending before I talk about it. A lot of people get mad if it moves around too much. There is stuff moving around there, but it is still the top. The top of trending right now, Minecraft Hunger Games with James Charles. It's a PewDiePie post. It is so classic. It is so heartwarming, classic YouTube. It's unbelievable. It could be 2014 right now, as far as I can tell. You get the two powerhouses of content. Of course, PewDiePie doesn't need an introduction, the biggest player in the game. And then James Charles, the biggest player in a different game. He made the heavy headlines with the controversy recently, but also just doing his thing in general with the makeup tutorials. An odd pairing, but in a classic YouTube format. As I suggested, they came together. They played Minecraft, which is the other old school YouTube meme territory as far as big view counts. And guess what happened? Fireworks happened in the view count department, as you would expect. 8.2 million views published yesterday, just destroying the internet. Do I know anything about Minecraft? No, absolutely not. Did I watch the entire video? No, absolutely not. But I do know that the internet was made for these types of situations, for these odd pairings, for this combination, for these types of remixes, where a makeup guru like James Charles, who had the biggest controversy in recent memory on YouTube, can match up with another controversial figure, as I mentioned, the biggest player in the game, PewDiePie, and they can play a simple game of Minecraft for about 8 million people. You see that, Will? So we got the AI, we got the Neuralink, and we still got these dudes playing Minecraft in the future. Yeah. How about that? And at the top of trending. So for those that say that trending is just about music videos, for those that say that trending is just about movie trailers, for those that say that trending is just about paid placement, here you have your evidence that it's a bit more complicated. Now, I'm not suggesting that trending isn't those things that I mentioned. It may have some elements of that. In fact, there was a really cool breakdown that someone did. We were actually a part of it. Unbox Therapy Channel was a part of the breakdown of like the types of content that pop up on trending and the threshold for views in order to get there. And this may have just busted things because of that threshold for views, because even for PewDiePie, this is outside the realm of typical performance given the amount of time that this video has been live. And I think you can grant a lot of that to the involvement of James Charles. You can, because he's going to bring his people. It's the classic YouTube collab love story, as usual, paying dividends in this situation of Minecraft X PewDiePie X James Charles.